Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to change your Snapchat login password on your Android device. So for this guys, just you need to open Snapchat app on your device. After opening, on the top left side you can see your contact icon. Just tap on it. From here guys, on the top right side you can see settings gear icon. Just tap on it, and here guys, scroll down. Here you can get the option password. Just tap on it. First of all, you want to enter your old password to change the password. Just I am entering my password. After this guys, just click on continue. That's it. From here you can easily change your password. Just enter your new password, same password you want to confirm by entering once again. After this guys, just tap on yes. That's it, very simple. From here you can easily change your Snapchat password on your Android device. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.